We all need a space where we can feel productive, focused, and inspired. Hi, I'm Franz, and this video will take you through how I transform this space into my home office, and I will give you a tour to my home office setup. I'm an educator, an entrepreneur, and now I'm trying to be a content creator. So I wanted to optimize this space for my creative needs. Overall, my goal is to have an office that is clean and functional in design. Please don't forget to click like, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button for you to be notified for new videos that I'll be posting. This space was used to house a 12-foot refrigerator. Upon creating a separate kitchen, the refrigerator has been transferred to its new home, and this space was left to be like what it is now, a multi-purpose space. The first thing we need to do is to clean this up. I wanted to have a wooden desk or any solid wood. Since the wall of the space is white, I wanted to use earth tone colors of furnitures and other accent. These are our good finds as we search our furnitures and other things that we can use daily and comfortably for this home office. We went to this home shop where we often go to buy home furnitures. To keep things organized, investing an office table with lots of drawers is always a good idea. With my desktop finally prepared, I'm now ready to position my devices. I comfortably work on laptops and mobile phone rather than desktop computers. I use this Chromebook to review videos that I post on my YouTube channel. What I like with this is the touchscreen feature and the loud audio from its built-in speakers, that I don't need to have another speaker for me to be able to hear audio very well. But most of the time, I use my mobile phone from creating videos down to editing. It is so handy, and I'm very well oriented using the phone in editing videos. I also use this Chromebook to charge my other devices, such as this watch that I have, this smartwatch that I have, and my headset as well. While this Asus laptop, I use this for my everyday academic task, like preparing my lessons, other learning materials, searching, and many other things. So what I love with this is the widescreen and its efficient keyboard. I also have here some of my planners where I chat down important notes that I have to and that I need to remember as well. To keep the desk out of mess and wires, I have this basket where I place the chargers from laptops to mobile phones. While on this part, you can see a small basket that holds 3 containers where I placed keys, staplers, scissors, and other tiny weeny things. And here's that holds my notepad. I bought this in Singapore with my third and last visit, and how I wish to go back there. It's really a beautiful place. And of course, I have here a drawer that holds other things that such as lapels, HDMI cord, and other electronic necessities that I have. And of course, you can't avoid, it is important for you to plant something live on your desk to add on a beautiful atmosphere. And of course, I always keep this thing. By the way, this is a Christmas gift to me, and this is a gift from a very good friend. This is battery operated, a sports car, and I always keep this. As you can see, to unwind myself. You can't avoid the kid and me. In this area, you can see the iPad. This is where also I placed my glasses. I have 3 different glasses with my defective eyes, but most of the time I avoid using them in a longer time. So I have it here for my AC access. To add a warm vibrance on the workstation or in this workspace, I have this LED lamp that I was able to find on an online shop. I have here also tripod, the Gorilla tripod, and my ring light that I used for online meetings and classes. I have some collections of planes, and among of those that has been with me for quite some times are these commercial planes that was also a gift to me. They have been with me for more than 10 years already. I got this cute green mouse as a free from a laptop that we bought several months ago, and have also here a laptop elevator and stand for me to be able to work comfortably. Still, we have here the drawers that contains important things, wallets, and so many other stuffs. And yes, I have also here an empty one, but I have here the magazine for an airsoft, but this space is waiting for important documents and files to be placed on. to work comfortably for many hours at a time while maintaining a good posture. I invested a simple but a good chair and a laptop elevator or a laptop stand. That's my home office. I have been working here for a couple of weeks now, and I have to say I have been more productive and focused, and I enjoy a lot working in this space. Yes, we can't avoid to get clutter from time to time, but I'm trying my best to keep it tidy and organized. And as every day passes, it is becoming easy to maintain. I would like to take this opportunity to thank these people who helped me carry the heavy tables and in helping me prepare these things I need to set up our home office. If you have questions about anything on this video, leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer you. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe because that helps me inspired create more videos. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoy.